Hello, my name is Abhirami. This is my fifth experiment in Linux and Unix experiment. The name of the experiment is file processing and managing. In this experiment, the objective is to automate file processing tasks using shell scripting. This includes file manipulate, search and filter file contents, manage file permission and handle backups. So these are the code snippets that we are using in this experiment. So the first question is to create a directory structure using to represent different components of the thing. Okay, so I created directory using mkdir. Then I'm creating subfolders using mkdir like task, reminders, logs, backup, report scripts. In those folders I'm creating files named task. In task folder I'm creating text files, and in reminders folder also I'm creating text files. In logs folder I'm creating log files. So I created everything. Now I'm gonna check the structure, check the directory structure. So I'm using ls I'm using this command. So when I am using that command, these are the output we got, and the structure, everything we got the structure. The second question is to search for files in that directory that contain a specific keyword. We are searching a file that contain a specific keyword. So I created a shell script to search a keyword in all files using the greprl command. It displays the file paths where the keyword is found. So that's it. I created shell file and I'm giving permission for that file. Then I'm creating a text file, and these contents are entered in that file. Then I'm executing the shell file. So we got this output. We are searching the word painting and the word painting in this file. Okay. Next, the third question is to perform file permission audit on your theme, its directory and modify permission. We're gonna see file permission and and modify their permissions. So I checked file permission. Using this command and modified them using this cmhd command to ensure security. That's for the third question. For the fourth question, the fourth question is to compare two files and highlight the difference and save the difference into a third file. Okay, so these are the two files I created, text files I created. Now in the shell file I am using diff command. To compare two files and display the differences. So these all are the same commands are using, only the file names change. So for the fifth question, the question is to automate the process of archiving files older than 30 days into a compressed archive. We are archiving files older than 30 days into a compressed archive. So I used find command with m plus 30 to locate all files and archive them using tar command. Then I'm creating shell file, giving permission, executing the file. So that's for the fifth question. For sixth question, develop a program to list all files in your themes directory with their size and last modified date. So I listed all files with size and modified date using this command, and same I'm changing only the file name. changing only the file name. So for the seventh question, identify duplicate files in the directory and delete unnecessary. If duplicate is there, delete the duplicates. That's the seventh question. So I used fdupes command to find duplicate files and delete them based on user input. Okay. Same nano command xchmod execute file executing command. So searching for duplicates. These are duplicate files, and then I'm deleting. Then I'm asking for user whether to delete it or not. Then I gave yes, so the file is deleted. Now the eighth question is to perform sorting of files based on their size or name and save the sorted list into a new file. Okay. I sorted file based on size using the sort of command and saved the output into a different file. Okay. Then I'm getting the content in that sorted file. So these are the content. Now for the ninth question is a program to count and display the number of files and subdirectories. We are gonna count the number of files and subdirectories in that directory. So I counted the number of files using find and using files and this command. Okay, now that's for the shell file. Now I'm using the same commands, nano chmod file execution command. That's for the ninth question. For 10th question is to generate a daily report summarizing all changes in a theme's directory. Now we are going to summarize all changes that we done in this directory. So this is the script that I generated to generated a daily report of modified files using the find command. With mtime1 command. So next I entered those commands, nano chmod file execution, then we got this output. So our fifth experiment is completed. Thank you.